TikTok ads are a great way to bring more traffic and sales to your dropshipping stores, with the platform being one of the most popular and biggest social media platforms out there today. And running ads is also super cheap because it's relatively new. Now is the time to run TikTok ads for your dropshipping products and enjoy those extra sales and profits. That's why I added this extra bonus video inside our Shopify course so that you will learn how to run TikTok ads from A to Z for your dropshipping business. Enjoy this one, and I'll see you in the next lesson. So here's what I did on TikTok. Let's go to one of these ads. Now, why do we only see 4 here and not the 8 that we see on Facebook? Well, that's because on TikTok, I'm only going for one type of audience targeting, one type of audience interest targeting, and then I'm going to show them all 4 of my ads, all 4 of my video ad copies, and hopefully one of them will work. Let's edit one of these campaigns. Okay, so this is the 30-second testimonial video. So as you see here, I set a custom identity, LED looper, which is what we're seeing here in the ad. The ad format is a single video. The video is right here. So this is the 30-second testimonial. The text is creating stunning LED visuals. So I used 4 different headlines for 4 different videos. TikTok didn't give me the option to try to adjust as to what's working best. So I just went with one headline for each video ad creative. Then the destination page, of course, is website to my product page. My call to action here, I could do a dynamic. So go ahead, TikTok, give me the best call to action. It could be learn more, buy now, whatever it may be. Then we've got the tracking. So of course I set up the Shopify TikTok pixel. It was easy to do it. Simply go to your Shopify dashboard, download the TikTok app from there, and everything else should be self-explanatory from there. Just click, and next. And that's pretty much it for this specific ad. So that is what we're seeing here. There is no text, as you see here. TikTok doesn't have room for all of this, just a headline. So I gave them 4 different headlines, 4 different video ad creatives. I didn't see the interest, so let's go back again. It's probably going to be here in the ad group. Right now it's not delivering because it's outside of my scheduled time, but it will start delivering soon. Oh, and by the way, it's not in review anymore. So this means that my ads already got approved in just a few minutes. I thought it would take a few hours, but maybe everything was really optimized, set up correctly, or maybe TikTok has more people reviewing campaigns. But as you can see, they are not in review anymore. They're simply not delivering. And that is because I scheduled to deliver them in just a few hours from now. That is when they will start delivering. So let's go to the ad group and take a look there. So I've only got one campaign, as you see right here. Okay, it's an active campaign. I've got one ad group, which is right here, and 4 different ads under this ad group and campaign. Let's start from the top, okay, which is what I should have done before. So right now we're looking at the campaign. I'm going for website conversions on TikTok. The campaign is LED looper conversions. And I didn't set a campaign budget, but I did only add $120 into this account. So TikTok will not be able to go over that price anyway. And if I do go over that threshold and I want to add more, I can always do that. Okay, so that's in terms of the campaign. Now let's look at the ad group. So my available audience here is between 21 to 26 million, which TikTok sees as balanced. Facebook would see it as super broad, but here it's balanced. So let's try that out. I'm going to go to an external website, of course. I'm using my pixel. My optimization event is complete payment. So find me customers who will complete payment. My placements is only TikTok. I took out Buzz Video and Pangle. No experience with them. Don't know if it's good or not. I'm good with TikTok. And in my targeting, I went with custom targeting. So the location here is Canada and United States. I didn't have the option to go with Australia and New Zealand, but that is good enough for me. Languages, of course, is English. Gender, both male and female. Age range from 18 to 44. Household income, I don't mind them all. And down to interests and behaviors, here I added interests. Purchase intention instead of general interest. I want people who actually have an intention to purchase. And I went with these 4 categories: home improvement, e-commerce, household products, and tech and electronics. And I set a budget of $40 per day. If I've got a budget of $40 per day for 4 different ad sets, that means that each one is going to go for $10 per day. So $10 times 4 ad sets is $40 per day, times 3 days is $120, which is exactly how much I gave TikTok. And I want to come back after 3 days and analyze how these ads are performing, seeing what I need to turn off, maybe optimize some of them. We will see soon enough. But for now, that is what I said here. Day parting all day. And this is why we're seeing everything as scheduled, not delivering because it's outside of my scheduled time, because I wanted to start at 2 o'clock at night, because right now I'm seeing UTC time, and 2 a.m. in the morning is about 12 a.m. my time, which is once again a good time for people who live in the United States and Canada to see the ad and purchase the product. For bidding and optimization, I went with lowest cost, and that is pretty much it for the ad group. And then we've got the ad, which is what I started off off with, so you guys saw the ad, I've got the 4 different variations: 15-second testimonial, 30-second testimonial, 15-second text, and 30-second text. And that pretty much does it. And now that you know how to run TikTok ads for your Shopify dropshipping business, you can now go ahead and get started. Do not forget to start with $5 to $10 a day budget ad sets. And this way, see what starts to work from the data that starts coming in. After about 2 to 3 days, you should have a pretty good indication of what's working well for you. Turn off those slow movers, learn from the ads that are working well for you, continue A/B testing different video ad creatives and different texts and targeting different audiences. And with more experience, the results will follow. Good luck running TikTok ads and enjoy the rest of the Shopify course.